Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Mickey Mouse. It's going to be super easy and fun, so come join me. Alright everyone, let's draw Mickey Mouse. Let's get started. We're going to draw two lines like this that look like a heart. We're just not going to finish it. So let me start on this side. I'm going to come up, go around, stop like this, and then let's go the other way. Then from there we're going to draw the mouth. So bring this down a little more. The mouth is going to be two curves that go out. Then from here, we're going to draw the chin, which is going to be a big U. So I'm going to come here, draw the letter U. Then we're going to draw his smiley face. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw two little curves like this, and then I'll draw a big smiley face. So I'm going to come here, go around, and then come to this side. Then we'll draw his tongue, which is going to be a big open mouth, big U, and then we're going to draw his tongue, and his tongues are going to be two hills like a mountain. So here's one hill, and then here's the other hill as the mountain. There we go, there we have his mouth. So the next thing we could do is draw his nose, and in between all of this we're just going to draw an oval. Here's an oval. We'll draw a little line above this oval. It's going to look like a frown a little bit. And we're going to draw his eyes on this. So his eyes are going to be two big hills or two big long ovals. There's one, and here's the other one. We could draw Mickey eyeballs, and his eyeballs are going to be two smaller ovals, and I'm going to put them on the inside. So here's one oval, and I'm going to draw the other one right here. Whoa, it's coming along. Super exciting. And honestly, all we really have left is the outside of his head and his ears. So his head, I'm going to come from his cheeks and make like a circle. So I'm going to come here first. I'm going to come around, make like a circle, and just come around to his cheek this way. And then I'm going to do it this way. And I'm going to make a circle that comes around to his cheek. There we have his head, and the last thing we need are his ears. And we're just going to draw two big circles for his ears. So I'm going to draw one right over here, one ear, and then the other ears on this side. And there we have Mickey. I love it. Stay tuned to see Mickey colored in. And there we have it, guys. There we have Mickey Mouse, and hopefully you guys found it easy to follow along and to draw, and hopefully you guys are having fun doing it as well. Thank you.